Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can achieve the flawless base for your makeup. So आगे बढ़ने से पहले please make sure आप सब ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है and next to that there is a bell icon. Do press that out so that you will be notified every time I upload any video. And moreover, if you would like to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me there as well. I'll just put the handle in the description box. You can just check that out. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is my face. You can see a lot of pigmentation, acne marks here and there, so please bear with me for a moment. So today I'll tell you what all you can do in order to achieve the flawless base. So before applying the foundation, I'll tell you step by step what all skincare you guys can follow, so that जब भी आप अपना foundation apply करेंगे, it will going to look flawless on your skin. So yes, right now I don't have anything on my face, so मैंने अपना सिर्फ face wash किया है with that clean and clear foaming face wash, जो कि oily skin और acne prone skin के लिए suitable है, and my skin is more on the oilier side, so I think that that is actually suitable for me. So definitely whatever face wash आपके skin type को suit करता है, you can definitely go ahead with that one. So first I'll be just using this sanitizer so that I can properly clean my hand, and then I'm gonna start with my skincare and makeup. So again, one of the essential things guys that you should not forget. So yes, now my hands are properly clean, so I'm gonna start with this Mamaearth serum that I have. I'll just show you the picture of that. So I'll just take that serum, and by the way guys, this serum is absolutely like very light on your skin. So if you're like on the oilier side or maybe on the combination side, you can easily use this serum because ये इतना ज़्यादा light है that it gets like absorbed in your skin like anything. But again, if you're on the drier side guys, you have to make sure what kind of products are suitable for you. But for my skin type, this Mamaearth Skin Correct serum works very well, and this is basically suitable for oily, acne prone, and of course combination skin type. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm just pressing the product inside, and I'll just give it a minute, and then I'll just move towards the next product that we have to apply on our face. Alright guys, so second product that we have to use is a moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your type. So I'm using this Mamaearth moisturizer, which is one of the oil-free face moisturizer that we have in the market, and this is again suitable for all kind of oily skin, or if you have like acne prone skin. So this is like very effective guys if you are facing or having any pimples on your face. So it actually prevents pimple, and it will give you the adequate amount of hydration to your face, so that your face will remain hydrated and it will not going to give you any kind of dryness on your face. So if you're on the drier side, you can try this product. It is actually good, but if your face is like over drying, then you have to look for something which is more give you more hydration, or which will keep your skin more hydrated throughout the day. So that is what you have to make sure. You have to choose the moisturizer according to your skin type. And if we talk about this Mamaearth brand guys, we already know that they recycle more plastic than they use. So this is one of the good things about this particular brand. And as I told you before, this brand is like completely paraben and silicone free. So this is again one of the good things about this brand. So I'm just pressing the product inside so that my face will remain hydrated throughout the day, and whatsoever makeup I'm gonna apply over it, that will going to stay and look flawless. So next we will be using this Lakme Absolute primer. This is one of the good primers, guys, that we have in the market. So I'm gonna take the little amount and I'll just put that primer thing on the areas where I feel I have pores. So yeah, so basically I have pores here and here. So I'm gonna just press the product inside like this. So this is again, guys, one of the mattifying primers that we have in the market, and this is actually, you know, with pink undertone, so it will going to give you little tint on your face, but that's absolutely fine. So this is how you have to press your product inside. And one more thing, guys, if you are going outside, so make sure before applying primer you should apply the sunscreen as well. So you can just follow that thing also. So yes, this is how my skin looks like. So primer से क्या होगा, guys, whatsoever pores, or if you have like small marks or any signs, you know, any pimple marks, anything like that, so होता क्या है, प्राइमर की हेल्प से वो सारे मार्क्स थोड़े से ब्लर आउट हो जाते हैं, और आपका जो फाउंडेशन है या फिर जो आपका मेकअप है उसके लिए एक स्मूथ कैनवस आपको मिल जाता है, सो दैट योर मेकअप विल बी स्मूथ एंड इट विल गोइंग टू लुक फ्लॉलेस. बिकॉज विदाउट प्राइमर व्हाट विल गोइंग टू हैपन कि जो आपके पोर्स होंगे या फिर जो आपके मार्क्स होंगे फेस के ऊपर, वो फाउंडेशन के ऊपर से आपको विजिबली दिखेंगे, एंड दैट डजंट लुक नाइस. सो येस, दैट इज़ वाई प्राइमर इज़ एन एसेंशियल थिंग which will going to, you know, blur out your pores, so that whatever makeup you will going to apply on it, वो आपका एकदम seamless and एकदम flawless दिखेगा. Alright guys, so next we will be applying the foundation. This is in the shade 310 Sun Beige, which is personally that is one of the good foundations, guys, that we have in the market. And again, you can see, like, you know, on the budget, if you can see, or you know, concern about the budget. So this is again one of the budget friendly or pocket friendly foundations that you have. So I have just applied it like this. So I'm going to take this wet beauty blender and I'll just start pressing my product. And if you talk about this particular foundation, this is actually, guys, suitable for normal to oily skin, and this is again, if you are oily skin, then it will going to provide you, you know, that matte finish. Because हम oily लोगों को matte finish वाली ही चीज़ें पसंद आती हैं, because अगर ज़्यादा ऑयली चीज़ें हम अप्लाई करेंगे then it will look like, you know, we will sweat like anything in those situations. So this is one of the good foundation. It's not high coverage, because again you can see my acne marks, my pimple marks, whatsoever scars I have on my face, everything is visible. So this is more like, you know, medium coverage, or you can say like sheer to medium coverage. But again, if you want to build it up, आप फाउंडेशन की एक और लेयर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बट पर्सनली अभी मैं नहीं अप्लाई करना चाहूँगी. बट अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन पसंद है तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दैट अनदर वर्जन ऑफ फिट मी, मेबेलिन फिट मी फाउंडेशन. दैट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग गाइज. इफ़ यू लव like having high coverage or getting high coverage on your face, so that foundation is good. Moreover, if you want, you can go for like Huda Beauty foundation also, if you need high coverage, I would say. But personally I like high coverage foundation, but not on daily basis, I would say. But again guys, whenever you talk about foundation, that is of course सबकी अपनी अपनी प्रेफरेंस होती है. एंड मेकअप इज़ समथिंग गाइज जो हमें अपनी पर्सनल चॉइस के हिसाब से ही करना चाहिए. इफ़ आई से आई लाइक लाइट कवरेज और मीडियम कवरेज डजंट मीन कि आपको भी वही करना है, राइट. सो मेकअप इज़ ऑल जो कि आपकी खुद की पर्सनल चॉइस होती है. सो इट्स टोटली योर चॉइस. बट इफ़ यू कैन सी, लेट मी जस्ट गिव यू द क्लोज-अप. दिस इज़ हाउ माई स्किन लुक लाइक. सो दिस इज़ हाउ माई फाउंडेशन लुक्स लाइक. इफ़ यू कैन सी, this is like properly blended foundation on my face, and that's look amazing. So one more thing guys, अगर आप अच्छा स्किन केयर करते हो so definitely आपकी स्किन तो अच्छी रहेगी ही. Moreover, आप जो भी मेकअप अप्लाई करोगे that will look going to look stunning on your face. So whatever is left out, I'm gonna drag it. Towards my neck. And if you guys, if you want, you can just highlight your under eyes. You can cover your dark circles, even these scars as well, with the help of same foundation. Alright guys, so this is how my skin looks like. Let me give you a close-up. So I haven't applied the foundation in these areas where I have marks, so I'm pretty okay with that. अगर आपको पूरा marks, dark circles, everything आपको cover करने हैं, so you can definitely apply one more layer of the foundation, or you can directly use like a full coverage foundation, ताकि आपके जो ये marks हैं that will going to be hidden. So yeah, that is how it looks like. I think it's looking good. If you can see it properly, it's properly blended guys. So yeah, means स्किन केयर मैटर्स अ लॉट गाइस. सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर आपका जो स्किन केयर है वो अच्छा होना चाहिए बिफोर अप्लाइंग द मेकअप. और द सेम स्किन केयर अगर आप रेगुलरली कर रहे हो देन योर स्किन विल बी लाइक अमेजिंग. सो या दैट इज़ हाउ यू कैन अप्लाई फाउंडेशन and your base will be flawless. The last thing guys that you can include in this step, that is setting up your face with the help of compact. So I'm using this compact from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220. So I'll just take this powder and I'm gonna set my face wherever I have applied the foundation, because setting the face with the powder is also an essential thing. because अगर आप पाउडर से या फिर लूज़ पाउडर से या फिर किसी भी टाइप का आप पाउडर यूज़ कर सकते हो गाइस विच इज़ सूटेबल फॉर योर स्किन. अगर आप अपना बेस सेट नहीं करोगे सो आपका जो बेस है वो ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए स्टे नहीं करेगा आपके फेस पे. सो अगेन आपको ये स्टेप भी मिस नहीं करना है. जहाँ जहाँ भी आपने फाउंडेशन अप्लाई किया है, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर आप पूरा फेस अपना प्रॉपरली सेट कर लो, ताकि जो फाउंडेशन है वो प्रॉपरली आपका इंटैक्ट रहेगा और वो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग भी बना रहेगा। सो दिस इज़ हाउ माय फेस लुक्स लाइक। So guys, I think my skin looks good after setting it up with the help of powder. So yes, this is what I have. So guys, you can see that after setting it up and following the proper skincare, my skin looks amazing, and even the foundation that I have applied, वो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, you can see that. But again, if you don't like, you know, these marks जो कि अभी भी मेरे फेस पे विजिबल हैं, you can directly put one more layer of foundation, और आप चाहें तो हाई कवरेज फाउंडेशन भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ताकि जो भी हल्के फुल्के मार्क्स विजिबल हैं वो भी आपके कवर हो जाएं. बट I think I liked it, and this is how guys you can also do your skincare, and you will be able to going to achieve the flawless base for your makeup. And of course after this you can just apply rest of the things and you will be like good to go. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video on how to achieve the flawless base for your makeup. So if you liked it, please give it a like, do share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified every time whenever I upload any video. And for that particular thing you have to hit that bell button next to that. So stay tuned guys until I upload my next video, and please do take care and be safe.